Welcome to ATech. Today I will tell you that how you can use two Snapchat account on one mobile phone at the same time. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for such an amazing videos. So you can see I have only one Snapchat account and I will tell you that how you can create another one. So now we will move to settings. In settings, after scrolling, you can see apps and permissions option on third last number. So we will open it, and here you can see on third number app clone option. So if you don't get it in your phone, you can simply search app clone and you can find this one. So we will simply open it, and on second number you can see Snapchat option. So we will simply enable it. We will click it and you can see the notification that duplicate icon added to desktop. So we will move to desktop and you can see the magic that dual Snapchat account is added to my home screen. So in this way you can use two Snapchat accounts at the same time in one mobile. If you like the trick, please subscribe my YouTube channel